She will be joining in 10-15 minutes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine.
Sir, you can start the session. Anyways, it's been 10 minutes.
Okay, no problem. That Naresh Riya is also late, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine, no problem. Let me start and try to join as soon as possible. Don't make delays. Okay, and inform everyone. Mm, see. Okay. So yesterday we have seen the partner determination procedures. Okay, and we have done the configuration of the partner determination procedure and how partner functions will be reflecting in customer master and other documents. We can see later other documents. As of now, we have seen in the customer master, right? So partner functions are various. So as per the business requirement, there may be a sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer. So this you have to remember how the short naming of sold to party and ship to party, business like bill to party and payer. So remember these short names like SP, SH, and BP and PY. Okay, and so always there is a one procedure, partner determination procedure we need to define, and for that we are like linking to the account group. So because account group is having a so the customer like customer number. So to that customer number, so it is automatically coming into the like you will retrieve the partner functions in the system. Okay, so if you see my diagram, let me go. Where is that? Okay, I think you have gone document. Have you this document? Chance?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Now it's audible.
Yeah.
Okay. So by chance, anyone have you gone through this document?
Yes, sir.
So this is page number 24, right? 24. I have made simple diagram how the partner determination procedure, partner functions are linking to the customer account group. Usually this partner determination procedure, right? This is the procedure. Under this procedure, we are maintaining a partner functions, right? We are assigning our partner functions. So this we are making no change possible and partner mandatory. This procedure is assigned to customer account group, right? And parallelly in separate again individual partner functions again we are assigning to this customer account group. So with this configuration, we are getting these partner functions in your customer account group. So in this customer account group only, you have created your customer master. So whenever you are creating a customer master under this account group, so your partner function will be automatically determined in the system. This is about the brief explanation about this diagram. So I have written here everything. Just go through that, then you will understand. And try to read properly each and every document, then you will get very deep knowledge about the particular okay procedure or configuration or any topic. Okay, so I have written entire steps. Simply you have to just read the read the material and do the transaction in the system. Okay, this is about the partner determination procedure. Then yesterday, so again this was yesterday, because I in between I didn't save, then I have again texted, I have prepared this again after that class. After completion of class, again I have typed these details. So now everything is available in the drive access. Okay, now this is also I made separately again yesterday. So this is a material. We are using a T code MM01, MM02, MM03. In real time project, MM consultant is responsible to create material master. Okay. Whereas, and there are other functional departments, because see here we are creating product or services as a material code. So sometimes if there is a service based company, they are going to create a service as a material code. For example, AMC of Weybridge, annual maintenance contract of Weybridge, okay, computer maintenance, those kind of services. That is also whenever you are creating a service contract, at that time you are going to create, you means MM consultant is going to create service, whatever the text item, right? For example, think that maintenance contract for computer. If you are running any business, computer business, annual maintenance contract. If there is a company, they are some okay, there is a manufacturing company, there will be AMC. AMC is nothing but an annual maintenance contract. So yearly they will go for the maintenance contract. If there is a weighbridge means so weighing machine at the exit gate. Always, if you see any manufacturing company, at the exit gate, you will see the weigh bridges. Okay, 40-ton weigh bridge, 50-ton weigh bridge, whatever the trucks, lorries are weighed, na? So those kind of weigh bridge. If the company is giving annual maintenance contract, then how this an AMC weigh bridge material code will be created? This will be created under services. This is a service related material. If product related material means the products, materials, actual materials. For example, this LG TV, as I said, right? So iPhone mobiles, hmm, and steel roll or steel rod. These are all the products. So for this also, we are going to create product material. Okay, material code will be for product basis, and for services also there will be a material code. And these material codes for the both both type of material will be created by consultant in the real time scenario. Okay, and this for other department also, see after this, while creating this, so you will use what is the industry type. What is the industry type? Where you will use here. If you go here, MM01 is the T code. Press enter. See here, material code, you can enter manually if you want to create external number range. For example, if you want to create, if you want to use directly as a LG TV only, LG TV, okay, LG TV 43 inches. If you want to do manual enter, you can enter here. For example, I am going to create iPhone 14 Pro as my material code. Okay, just I am selecting this, okay, entering this number, material code number as a name itself, and selecting this electronics product. and material type is FERT. So you are selecting the industry and material type here. Here industry and material type. Material type, as I explained, there are some few material types you have to remember. Okay. FERT means finished product. ROH means raw material. HALB means semi-finished products. HAWA means trading goods. ASA means spare parts. Like this, you have to remember. You will have a list of n number of material types. Only these five we are maximum utilizing using in the system. Okay. After this entry, just click on enter. You will get a selection views. This is about the view selections. Third one. And here, see, there are other functional module consultants. They are responsible for extending already created material to respective views. Views is nothing but a departments. Okay. Under the each department, you will have a various fields and screens. So valuation will come in the accounting department. Quantity value updation, again it is a MM and FI integration. This I will show you where we have to do, because you have already created a plant, right? Whenever you create a first time plant in the system, okay, so there is a some quantity and value updation has to be done, and your plant has to be make it as a active for production. So you have to activate for the material ledger, that I will show you in this today's class. Okay. So as of now, view selection is nothing but it is a department selections. Okay. And whatever I have selected here. So let me untick all. Okay, untick all. Here, this basic data 1 and basic data 2. These two are related to the MM module. MM consultant is responsible to create this basic 1 and basic 2, and even the parallelly classification. Classification will be created both PP and MM module. PP and MM module. This is a variant configuration. Ignore about this. I too also don't know much about the variant configuration. This will not come into the SD part actually. So SD part will come, but very rare. Okay. And sales are one, sales are two, sales general plant. These are all very important as per as SD consultant. Okay. See here I have mentioned in this case as a SD consultant. In this case means in the creation of material master, the role of SD consultant is to extend material to sales views. MM consultant, what he will do? He will maintain this basic data and he will save this. For example, let me go and maintain this. Okay. So think that I am a MM consultant. I maintained a material code as iPhone Pro, and this is a electronic industry, and my material type is finished product. Now, as a MM consultant, I have selected these two and I have made continue. Okay, then so system has taken to directly the basic data 1 and basic data 2 role. Okay, just I will enter same as description also same. Okay, here I will give the unit of measure is in each. Okay, unit of measurement is each, and division of my product is, let me go, I think mobiles are which products? Smartphones, A0. Smartphones are under A0 division. Okay, here both. So these two data has to be entered, and you have to enter the material weight. Okay, just think that it will be around 190 or for example 200 gram. 200 gram. Okay. Net weight also 200 gram. Okay. After three entries, 1, 2, and these three entries, press enter. So you will be under basic data 2. Here nothing can be maintained. Okay. So keep as it is and press enter. It is asking for save. So data has been saved. So just the MM consultant, he will note down this material code iPhone 14 Pro. Okay. Here the material code has been created as iPhone 14 Pro. And this material code will be issued to, okay, he will share this information to all the departments. What are all the departments? He will share to the production team, he will share to the purchasing team. Again, purchasing means they will extend it to the purchasing view also. Again, consultant only will do. Okay, if it is a raw material, if it is a raw material, it will be go for the purchase. If it is a finished product, you are the manufacturing, right? Company is manufacturing. Company is manufacturing means PP, production planning. Okay, PP consultant, he will share the information to PP consultant, FI consultant, CO consultant. CO means controlling. FICO is both only, but sometimes it will be a two different, okay, departments. In usually in industry, real time industry, actual industry, there is a two department. One is a finance department, another is a costing department. Costing department will take care of the controlling part, which control cost control. Finance department, they are into the finance balance sheet, everything. They will take care of the finance. Okay. And other is SD. Okay. And sometimes quality also, QA or QM. Okay. And other departments will come into the picture. Okay. So this information from the consultant, he will share the material code information to the these departments. Then what? See, as a SD consultant, what I will do? I will use this same material code. Let me go here. Let me go here. Okay, again I will enter the same iPhone Pro. It has been created. Just go here. Okay, select these views, three views. Okay, earlier I have selected these two views. Now I am selecting, ignore this. Now select these two views. Okay, okay, I'm selecting three. Sales are one, sales are two, sales are sales general plant data. So after that, click on enter. So it will ask for the plant. Okay, it will ask for the plant, which plant you are going to create this material. So now I have given my AS28 plant, and which sales organization you are creating for this material. I'm using my sales organization. And which distribution channel you are creating for. I'm using for my wholesale purpose. So click on continue. Directly you are, okay, entered into the sales R1 view. Now, so maintain the data. What data? Here we are entering the delivering plant. After that, we are entering the tax codes. Okay, one is for full tax applicable. So let me go. If you click this, you will be entered into the this row. Okay, fields. Because there is no much space is there, that's why I am going to additional. Then after that, press enter. So you will be coming back. Okay. After this, again press enter. One and these two, only two entries. After this, press enter. You will be under sales are two. So here the important parameter is account assignment. Okay, group for the material, account assignment group for the material. You are selecting as a 03. It is finished product. This will be helpful for you to determine your revenue. Okay, revenue account determination. So I will explain you when OTC. Okay, OTC cycle will come after the billing process. We are doing the FI entries, means our billing document releasing to the FI entries. At that time, this field will helpful. Again, here the item category group. This will be helpful for to determine your item category into the sales document. So because of that, we are maintaining here these two data. Okay. Then after this, press enter. Okay. Here availability check. This is required for the ATP, available to promise check. I will explain you what is the ATP in separate topic. As of now, I am maintaining no availability check. Okay. Then you are giving the transportation group, means how you will transport this product. So I am using as a parcel. Okay. How you will load this product? How you will load this product? You will load by manual. Okay. 1, 2, 3. These three data. After this, press enter. Okay. Then you will go to the accounting view because already accounting view also it is selected, I think so, in the bottom. Okay. Let me go maintain here. Okay. Valuation clause. This will be filled by FI consultant. This will be filled by FI consultant. Normally, since it is a finished product, okay, you remember this. Whenever this product is there, finished product, FERT, the valuation class will be, okay, here I will mention valuation class is 7920 for the finished product. 7920 for the finished product. And this is usually maintained by the finance content consultant, not as the consultant. And you will give a price of the iPhone Pro is maybe, for example, I can guess 80,000, whatever maybe. Okay. The one unit of iPhone will be cost at the rate of 80,000 rupees. It is manufacturing cost without any profit margin. Then press enter. It will be asking for save. Just save it. Okay. So I have extended to both the views. Which views? FI view and SD view. Let me go to PP view. PP means again you have to enter the same. Okay. Enter. Now unselect all. Okay. Just MRP1. MRP1 is nothing but it is a production planning view. Okay. Material requirement planning. Continue. Again, it will ask for the plant and storage location. Just select here instead of AH01, go to smartphone AH00. It is a AH00 location. Okay, press enter. So here in MRP1 view, we will maintain the MRP type. This is also very important field where it will helpful to determine your schedule line category in the sales document. Okay, so this now as of now just only understand what fields to be maintained in each views. That is enough. Again, when we go to OTC cycle, again we will learn this. Okay. After this, press enter, then save. Now your material has been created. So in one shot, if you ask me, better create MM01, enter, go now. I will maintain iPhone 16. I'm creating new material. Okay. iPhone 16, new material. Press enter. Select unselect all. So let me show you what are the views you have to select. Basic data 1, basic data 2, sales are 1, sales are 2, sales general plant, MRP 1, and then accounting. Accounting. These fields are enough as per my knowledge. Okay. And this is required. This is required because now I am not maintaining because I want to show you what is the importance of this international trade export during the billing process. Billing means invoice creation. So we have to extend again material to this view also. As of now, I am not maintaining because I want to show you one warning message about this okay view. Let us see that warning message. What is that warning message when we are going to run the OTC cycle during the billing creation? Okay. After selecting this, if you click on the default setting, okay, now I have clicked on the default setting. Close now. Again, go back. Let me enter again MM01. Enter. Now I am entering the iPhone 16. After this, press enter. Whatever you have defaultly set earlier, this will automatically selected. Say I have selected earlier basic data 1, basic data 2, SR1, SR2, sales general part, MRP1, and accounting. Let me go I will select now this. Okay, I will select now international trade export also. Now I am making default setting again. Okay, now this screen also I have made save option. Means whenever I select this, enter this, it is automatically selected. How? Because I made default setting. Go back again, MM01, select iPhone 16 Pro, enter, see, it is selected automatically. Now, as of now, I'm not selecting this. I make default setting, again close, again go back, again come here, enter iPhone 16. See, whatever earlier we have selected the videos, those only it will be shown as selected. So how many videos I have selected? One, two, three, four, five, six, and one more is accounting. Total 7 views. Now click on continue. You will be switching into the organization level. This after this selection, you will be switched to your organization level. In organization level, what you will maintain? You will maintain your plant name, plant code, storage location code, sales organization code, and distribution channel code. Okay. So let me go quickly maintain. EH28 is plant, correct. And EH01, it is not EH01 because it is a iPhone. This is not television. It is EH00. EH00 is a smartphone storage location. Okay. And sales organization is correct. And I am creating for my wholesale wholesale channel. Okay. After these entries, click on here. If you make default setting, it is also coming defaultly. How? See, I am at default. Okay, let me go back. Again, press enter. Selection views default settings. Again, press enter. See, AH00 automatically saved. So you have to make it as default setting. Then only you are not okay. So it is not required to enter again and again. Only you have to see that. If it is correct, then you can click on continue. Now I am creating iPhone 16 material code. So here each, okay, then division is A0, that is iPhone products or smartphones. Gross weight is, again I am taking 200 grams. Here again 200 grams. After this, press enter. Basic data 2. In basic data 2, we are not maintaining anything. So again sales are 1. We are maintaining delivering plant. Okay. And additional tax details. I'm clicking on the additional data. Again, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 means full tax applicable. Full tax applicable. This will be again helpful in tax determination. This whatever you are maintaining this field now, this will be help in tax determination in your billing process. Okay. So after this, again press enter. Okay. Here you will maintain two details. One is account assignment group for the material, another is item category group. Okay. Then press enter. So sales general here, you will maintain KP and you will maintain this as 004 and this as a 003. This is parcel. This is a manual loading. Okay. After this, press enter. So here MRP1, you will maintain a MRP type. MRP type as no material planning. ND means no MRP planning. PD means MRP planning. ND means no planning. PD means it is a planning. Forecast consumption. Okay. Forecast consumption is MRP planning. This is again. Okay. After this, press enter. Okay. Now here accounting view, right? Here you will maintain valuation class. Since it is a FERT, finished product, 7920 is the valuation class. Here I will mention rate of iPhone 16 is maybe 1,10,000. Okay, 1,10,000 per phone. Press enter, press enter. And one thing very important, whenever you are creating your material, okay, in the accounting view, this ML activate ML ACT is there na, this should be activated, and here price determination is there na, this should be show as 2. Okay, these two parameters very important, that this should be reflecting, this should be displayed during the accounting views. Okay, why this it is required means I will explain you. Okay, whenever I am uploading the stock. Okay, whenever I'm uploading the stock. Now press enter. So completes. So save. Now you have created iPhone 16 also. Now let us see what are all the materials available in your plant. You can see that. So let me go here. How to see the list of material in your plant? There is a separate T code in MM management module. MM60. MM60 is the T code to see the list of material under plant. So here I am not entering any material code here. Simply I am entering my plant code. What is my plant code? AS28 is my plant code. Okay. AS28 is my plant code. Just this is material list. The T code is MM60. Execute here. See, I have created yesterday 12, that is LG TV. I have created i14, okay, iPhone 14 Pro today, and iPhone 16 now, right? And Sony Bravio earlier 22nd I have created. Again Sony LED TV I have created on 22nd only. Okay, this is about the list of material. So how much stock we are having? How to check that? Go here. You can use MMB is the T code to check the stock. How much quantity stock I have. So here MMB is you have to enter material code mandatorily. If you execute directly, it will not show, because it will use the material does not exist or is not activated, because you have to enter here material code mandatorily. Let me enter the material code is 12. 12 is LGTV. Yesterday we created, right? Execute here, zero stock, no stock. Again, let me go here, iPhone 14 Pro. Execute, no stock. Go back, iPhone 16. Execute, no stock. Now, in single T code, how I can see my warehouse stock? How much quantity is there? What is the value of the inventory? Means how much inventory I am carrying in my warehouse or plant. Warehouse is nothing but a plant only. What is the T code? T code is MB52. MB52 is the T code to see the warehouse stock. See, display warehouse stock of material. Here, no need to enter any material code. Simply, if you put the plant code, then execute, you will see the all the materials available in your plant. Right? 12, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 16, Sony Bravio TV, Sony LED TV. See, I don't have stock of these. I have only stock of Sony LED TV, that is 94 quantity. The value will be 9,40,000. This is about the how to check the warehouse stock, how to check the material stock, how to check the list of material. So I have entered here the to check material stock MMBE, to check plant stock or warehouse stock MB52. And one more T code I will enter here. T code, T code here. T code to check list of materials. Only list of materials, huh? Not the quantity or value. List of materials in a plant. What is the T code? It is MM60. MM60 is the T code. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
Fine.
Sir, we use MD04, right? So what's the use of that? How it is
Which one?
different from MB MD04?
MD04 is separate. That is a order stock. Okay. MD04 is separate. That will come into the MRP planning. Okay.
Okay.
So I will explain you during the ATP. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry on that part. MD04 is separate. It is required for the MRP check. Okay.
Okay.
Everything will be covered, Akash. Don't worry. I will explain you because that situation has to come. Okay. As of now, whatever I am explaining, that is enough. If you go again beyond that, then others will get confused.
No,
Okay.
no, I got confused between MMB and MD04. So
No, MD04 is separate. MD04 it is required for MRP planning because where the stock is not there of raw material. Okay. So then, for example, there is a back orders, right?
mhm.
So we have how much inventory and how much further requirement is there. Because, for example, the customer has given multiple orders, right? There is a plenty of customers for the company, right? You have 10 customers. Okay, 10 customers, and there is a stock of 100 quantity. Okay, and these 10 customers already they have previous orders of each customer, maybe one customer 20, 30, 50, like that. There is a total together 10 customer together, there is a 200 quantity, whereas you have only 100 quantity. Okay, so how much is the gap? There is a gap of how much?
100.
100, right? So 100 is gap. So whether this 100 based on this order, when it is going to be produced, when you will get this production. So what are all these 100 quantities order numbers, sales order numbers that will be available in MD04.
Okay.
MD04. Okay. On order stock, whatever maybe is there, na, that you will get here.
Yeah.
That I will show you during the MRP, like whatever ATP check is there, during that time I will show you. As of now, you just ignore this MD04.
Sure. Sir.
Fine. Right. Next. Mm, so any other questions? That is fine. MD04 is fine. Apart from this, within this, any doubt you have? Right? If you are keeping the material code blank, the system will take internal number. Okay. If you are entering manually, system will take your manually input as a material number. Okay. I was checking before class start. Where is that material actually? Define attributes for material. Actually, I was checking this one only. Let me go material type. Assign. Okay. Define attributes. settings for key. Actually, I was checking the how they are maintaining the material number range. Somewhere some setting is there. Actually, I too also forget that. Let me check if it is possible. Mhm. Mhm. Let me see. Okay, I will tell you where it will be after the class. As of now, see, it is a consultant. They do the material number range settings. Okay, actually, where they maintain configure field selection or product master hierarchy, logistics general. Under this logistics general, material master, material types, material types, define material types. One more important is, so for example, okay, for example, uh, let me see here. So I'm going to enter this. This is a MM01 screen. Okay, just I want to show you one more important. Okay, MM01 screen. Okay, here. So think that there is a, okay, instead of this FERT, there is a trading goods. Trading goods means you are not producing, you are procuring from third party customer or third party supplier, and you are supplying to customer. Okay, this will be coming on third party sales. As of now, just remember this is trading goods. Trading goods means company is not manufacturing. Company is doing the brokerage. Brokerage is nothing but a, you are buying from third party, then you are supplying to your customer. Okay, third party means third party sales means that one only. Okay, so third party sales means, just I will show you roughly here. Here your company. Okay, this is your customer, which is your company. You are the manufacturer. Okay, here your customer. Okay, so think that you are a manufacturer for car manufacturing company. Okay, car manufacturing company, and your customer, your dealer, dealer or distributor. Okay, your distributor. Every city you will see the distributors, right? So this is distributor, and distributor is having a service center also. So car, whenever you purchase a car, right? So distributor will have a service center also. For service center, he is having a warranty parts, right? Warranty parts. If any, for example, warranty has given for the 5 years. The manufacturer, they are giving it to the customers for the 5 years warranty, and this 5 years warranty will be applicable to end customer. Okay, end customer is nothing but a consumer like you and me. Okay, we are going to distributor and we are purchasing from distributor or dealer, right? So within this 5 years warranty, for example, there are some parts means, for example, tire or transmission means gearbox or any engine. Okay, engine. So here, the car manufacturing company, they are not into the transmission manufacturing or engine manufacturing. Think that they are not manufacturing the engines. Okay. And this company, whenever they are manufacturing a car, they are procuring, they are purchasing a engine from the third party. Third party means the actual engine manufacturer. Here another company is a engine manufacturing company. Engine manufacturing company. Whenever this customer distributor, he got the complaint from the end customer saying that that engine got damaged within this 5 years warranty. Then there is a warranty means he has to replace the engine, right? This distributor has to replace the engine. So without any without any cost, right? Then what he will do? This distributor is not having the engine stock. He will inform to the company. He will inform to this company and saying that I need engine that is petrol engine of 1.4 liter cc, 1.4 liter capacity of kappa engine. Okay, this is the engine name. So this customer, he will receive an order, okay, because the customer is directly linked to the company. He's not linking to the third party. He's a third party manufacturer, third party vendor. Vendor means supplier. Okay, he's not directly linked to the third party vendor. This customer is having a relationship with the only company. Okay, relationship with the only company. Whatever engine is required, he will place an order to this company only. Okay, PO. He will send the PO, purchase order for the engine. Then what this company will do? Company also not manufacturing the engine. Okay, then he will divert this order to this third party. He will take the order. He will create the sales order. Once the sales order is created in the third party sales, in the back end, purchase requisition and purchase order automatically will be created. Automatically in the back end system will create. In the back end system will create. This PRPO, once the PO is created from this company, it will be sent to this third party PO, purchase order. This purchase order will have a delivery address of distributor. It means in the purchase order of this company again, he will send the purchase order to third party vendor. In this PO, the delivery address is belongs to this customer. Okay. Then based on this PO, this engine will receive an order, then he will supply to directly to the distributor. Distributor. Delivery of engine. Delivery of engine. So this process is called as a third party sales. This process is called as a third party sales. And whatever the engine product is there, so this product is called as a HAVA. HAVA is nothing but a trading products. Trading goods. Trading goods is nothing but a company is not manufacturing the product. He will sell the product through the third party vendor. This company will receive the order, but this order will be fulfilled through the third party vendor. So that product is nothing but a trading goods. Okay. So in this trading goods, company is not manufacturing because he's purchasing. So what I was trying to explain you means So I am creating a trading goods. Okay, Hava products. Whenever I am selecting this trading goods, if you press enter here, the purchasing view automatically it is coming. Okay, here purchasing view automatically it is coming. In case of FERT, let us go FERT. It is there is no purchasing view. Okay, how this is coming? This is coming through this setting. Through this setting. See, if you double click this, there is no purchasing view selection. Now I'm selecting this. After selection, I'm clicking on the save button. Okay. After this, go to again, go back MM01, click this. If you select FERT, see, this is I have selected FERT. Press enter. See, purchasing view, it is reflecting. Why I am explaining means, so whenever you find, okay, if you are not finding any views, then what you have to do? You have to go to the this. What is this T code? In short term, we call it as /n. Okay, let me open new window because I want to keep this window as it is only. OMS2 is the T code. OMS2 is the T code. This is related to the MM module, not related to us. Click enter. See, it is showing already locked by my user ID, mine only. Okay, because I have opened here. Okay, no problem. Again, I am clicking on this. Yes. Okay, no problem. I will be seeing as a display view only. If you double click this, see here purchasing view selected. Okay, in Hava, go to HAWA, Hava, enter, double click. See purchasing view automatically it is selected here. So this is the setting where you can see the view selections. Whenever you press enter, if you are not able to see any views, so you have to do the setting through OMS2 T code. Okay. Now I am removing this because finished product we are not purchasing any finished products from the third party vendor. Finished products always will be produced within the company. Finished products always will be produced within the company. So there is no purchasing process from the third party vendor. Only trading goods will be procured from the third party vendor and it will be supplied to the customer. So let us save this. Done, saving done. Where is that? Okay. Close this. Go back. Again try MM01 FERT. Try purchasing view gone. Okay. So this is about the views. Okay, bringing from where is the view setting. Okay. This is the OMS2 T code. Now close this. So now I will show you one more important how to upload your stock. How to upload the initial stock. This is very important, right? Without the stock, you cannot sell your product. Uploading of initial stock. Since there is in real-time scenario, what will happen? The stock will come from the production. Company is manufacturing and it is linked to the PP module. PP module is producing the material, finished products. Then stock is uploading from the production planning module. Okay. So, but this is a test system. This is a test system, right? So there is no any PP module or anything. So we are only have to upload our stock. So what is the T code to upload stock? Anyone?
Migo.
Migo. Correct. T code to upload initial stock. Whenever I am explaining about, see, whenever I am saying the T codes, somewhere you have to note down in your notebook. Okay, keep a pen and book, always some first page or last page. Okay, that will be particularly okay maintained for the T codes. Sometimes there might be a tables will come. See, in next class, in future classes, there is a table code. That also you have to maintain separate page. Okay, try to maintain like this. T code to upload initial stock is MIGO. MIGO is the T code to maintain the or to upload your initial stock. So whenever there is a initial stock is there, you have to use moment type. Moment type means this is the transfer of stock from one location to another location, or transfer of stock to particular movement of stock, movement of goods. Movement type is nothing but a movement of your goods. This will be for initial stock, it will be a 561 movement type we are using. For PGI, for goods issue normal sales, standard sales, it is 601. Okay. This just remember these two, and we'll see more movement types in consignment sales process. In consignment sales process, even though return sales also. For return, it will be 651. Okay. 651. No problem. So let us go to the MyGo. MyGo is the T code. Enter. Okay. So this is the screen to upload or to post your stock into your plant where you will post. There is a plant code is required. Plant code is required and storage location is required. You will upload your stock. Which stock? FG stock. Finished goods stock. Finished goods stock. Okay. In real time, it is coming from production, but since this is a testing system, testing server, okay, we are uploading manually. Okay, we are the producer here. So select A01, that is goods received, and here select the others R10. Write down somewhere A01 in the first tab and R10 in the next field. Here the movement type. This is the movement type field 561. Okay. Then come to the done material. Okay. Here now I have created iPhone 14 Pro, right? 14 Pro. Now I am entering, I am uploading 100 quantity. I am uploading 100 quantity of stock. Where I am uploading to my plant AH28. Okay. And my storage location is AH00. Okay. Enter. See, after pressing the enter, it is automatically coming the name of the plant, name of the storage location. Sorry. Name of the storage location. Okay. And here also the movement type will be there. Just you have to observe this movement type and this movement type. Both should be same. Okay. Sometimes someone has done the default entries. So sometimes there might be a chance of coming with a different movement type. Always you have to use 561. That's why I have written here movement type 561. Okay. One more important, I will enter material code. Okay. Material code. Okay. Here I will enter A01 as goods received. R10, right? Sorry, R10 as others. Okay. and movement type here 560. Okay, this need to be entered. Okay, after this, after entering this option, item okay to be ticked, item okay to be ticked, then click on the check button, click on the check button, so you will get a message. What is that? Document is okay. So it is saying document is okay, you can proceed for the posting, you can proceed for the posting. Just click on the post document. See, document has been posted, document has been posted. If you get this message, your 100 quantity has been uploaded into your plant storage location stock. So go back, go to new window, check the MMBE. MMBE, enter. So here I have entered iPhone 16, right? iPhone 16 or iPhone 14 Pro? I don't know, system becomes slow. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So see, 100 stock we have uploaded. So now you are seeing this is the company code, this is the plant. Under the plant, you have storage location. Under the storage location, you have 100 stock. Okay. So plant also, company code also is showing 100 only, and also showing 100 only, storage location also 12. So this is nothing but a overall 100 only. Okay. Don't calculate as 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. No, this is only 100. Okay. This is about the stock upload. Any doubt in this? Anyone has created any stock, any material code, or during the material code creation, anyone is facing issue? Anyone has tried? Akash, have you tried? Naresh, have you tried?
No, sir.
So you all guys are created plant, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go to your plant. Can tell someone key. Okay. Let me quickly create one stock for your plant, MM01. Who is going to tell your plant? Someone, please tell me your plant code. Which company you have created? I am going to show you to create your material master in your plant. Naresh,
Yes,
what is
sir.
your what is your plant?
NRC1.
NRC1. What you are manufacturing? Which product based company?
Uh, it is like not product, it's confectionery.
Stationery.
Confectionery. Like all, it include all, sir. Like chocolates, bakery products, general products.
Take it. I will take it as a retail industry. Okay.
Yeah.
Retail industry. Let me take. Okay. Let me check dairy milk chocolate. Okay. Dairy milk chocolate. I am going to create this dairy milk chocolate to your company or to your plant. Okay. Press enter. So material is longer. Okay. So there is some. Okay, Chaco. Enter. Okay. So now I have selected the views. Okay, I have selected the defaultly selected these views. Think that. So just go to org level. Okay. So tell me your plant code.
Sir, it's same. NRC1.
NR
C1.
C1. Okay. Storage location
Storage location NRC1, sir.
NRC2. It is
Ah,
finished product.
yeah, yeah, finished.
Sales organization
Same, sir.
NRC1 sales organization.
Ah,
Distribution channel
NA.
NA. Okay. Let me take NB retail. Okay. Let me
Okay.
take NB. Okay. So now if I press enter, because I am intentionally wanted to showing this creation of material for the particularly your plant, not your plant, those who have those who have configured your enterprise structure recently, because I want to show you something. Press enter. So you will get, so those who have created your R structure, you will get this error. Can anyone guess what is this error? Because I am telling intentionally this configurational step, you are also going to face this issue. And I have fixed this error for my plant. And if you want to fix this error to your plant, so there is a message, right? Material ledger must be set productive for your valuation area. Valuation area is nothing but your plant only. So valuation area and plant, both one and same. So where you are keeping your stock? You are keeping your stock in plant, right? And within the plant only you are doing valuating. Valuating means counting or knowing the what is the value of the product cost, right? That is nothing but a valuation area. And valuation area is having materials. You have those materials. So you have to activate this. Material ledger must be activated. So there are some steps you have to do that. To do this, okay, to do this, so I explained earlier, right? I have explained earlier also. Let me quickly, okay, close this. Quickly open new window. It's not coming. Close this. Quickly open new window. Okay. MM03. Go to this. I'm using my product iPhone 16. Enter, enter. Go to directly accounting view. If you want to jump directly to particular views, select this icon. Select this icon. Click on the accounting view. So I was explained, right? This ML active. So this is not there for your plant. This error is coming because of, okay, 1 minute. If we go to, let me go again, start with /n vmm01, because my default, my plant code is selected. Enter. Okay. NRC1 here, NRC2 here, NRC1 here, NB. I'm making default. Okay. So this error is getting because of this ML is not activated for your plant. How to fix this error? Okay, so let me go and show you how to fix this error. Here I will mention ML activation, ML activation, and one more important is quantity and value updation. Okay, updation and initial stock upload. Okay. So for quantity and value updation, I will explain you one by one. First step. These are all related setting. So guys, I'm explaining you. This is out of box topic. Okay, this is a out of box. It is not at all related to the SD consultant. It is not at all related to the SD consultant. But you as a practicing in the practice system, you should know how to fix these issues. And as per my experience, okay, during my learning stage, no one has explained about this. I learned from myself only. Okay, let me explain you how to update this quantity and value updation. Okay, I will write somewhere in the down. Otherwise, you will become confused. This is to upload the initial stock. Okay, now plant material ML activation process and quantity and value updation for your plant code. Usually in general it is called as plant is also called as valuation area. Valuation area. Plant is also called as valuation area in module. Okay. Okay. Now T code. T code for quantity and value updation. Okay. The T code is OIMS2, same as screen setting. Okay, view selection is there now. That is the same as that one only. If you go to OMS2, here I am entering /n OMS2. Enter. So what you are going to create? You are going to create your FERT, right? Finished product. For this product, for this material type, whether quantity and value updating is done or not. Double click this. See, you will see the valuation area. So as I explained, valuation area is nothing but your plant code, right? Your plant code. What is your plant code? NRC1, right? Enter.
Yes, sir.
See, in NRC1, it is automatically already updated. How it was updated? Because you copied from 1710. So based on that, here also it is updated for your plant for this material. Sometimes if it is not done, check for your plant. So those who have created already plant, right? So all the 10 members or 11 members, check this in your plant location, plant area. Okay, check these settings for your particular plant code. What you have to do? You have to go to the OMS2. Okay, this is the OMS2 screen. Select the FERT and double click on this quantity and value updating. Go to position. Valuation area is your nothing but your plant code. select the enter the plant code and click on continue. So this plant code, this quantity has to be ticked and value has to be ticked. Why this is what is the purpose of doing this? This is the purpose for whenever you upload the stock, right? Whenever you are uploading the stock, where you are uploading here, MIGO, Mago, right? You are uploading your stock, right? Here you are doing quantity entry, right? After this quantity entry, so in the material master, you are maintaining your material price. So this quantity and that material price, where you are maintaining that price in the material master, right? In the material master under accounting view, that both the quantity and value should be triggered in your warehouse stock. Where stock MB52. MB52. If you execute here, see this quantity and value updation will be done based on this settings. These settings, these settings. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot post the entries and you cannot see the material document. This your material document will not be generated and you cannot able to post the entries. Okay. This is about one setting. Okay. This is about the first. Now T code for ML activation. ML activation. There are total 4 T codes. Okay. OMX2, OMX3, OMX1, and CKM start. CKM start. This 4 T code you have to run and you have to activate your plant. Plant is nothing but a valuation area. ML activation. ML is nothing but a material ledger. Let me write full. Material ledger. Material ledger. ML. Activation for your plant. Plant is nothing but a valuation area. Plant is nothing but a valuation area. So let us go to OML slash and I am telling you these settings are not related to the SD consultant. These are all consultant responsibility. Since you are practicing in in practicing system, you have to do yourself. Because tomorrow, whenever you are practicing, if you are getting that error, then again you are going to ask me only. To avoid that, I am going to train you about this. Yeah. So these are all the T codes. So let us again go back because I want to show you OMX2. OMX2 is this thing. Okay. See here, the 9000 is the material ledger type. This is a standard material ledger type. Okay. So note down this standard material ledger type. Standard ML is 9000. So this should be exist in here in this OMX2 screen. Okay. And this should be manually ticked. Okay. So this is the normal first step. Okay. Then go back. OMX3. Next is OMX3. So here that whatever OMX2 is having 9000, OMX2 is having 9000, your material ledger, it is nothing but a one book. Material ledger is nothing but it is It is one type of book. Okay. So this book you will be assigning to your valuation area. Your valuation area is NRC1. Okay. So already it is defaultly assigned, okay, to other material ledger type. So because of that, status is showing red. So you have to make it green. How you will make it green? Just enter the 9,000. I am assigning, okay, I am assigning this material ledger book to your valuation area and your company code. So press enter. After pressing the enter, see this will be turned into green. Press enter. See 9,000 I have assigned. This is turned into green. Then click on save. So here, okay. Do you know TR number? No problem. I will save in my TR only. In real time, you will save this setting in your TR. Okay. This setting is over. What you will do here? Okay. Standard ML 9000 should be exist. Should be exist. I will mention check for standard ML 9000 should be exist or not. Okay. Here assign ML material ledger 9000 to your valuation area. Valuation area, that is nothing but a plant. Okay. What you will do here? Simple. Valuation area, company code, then ML, and here status. This is NRC1, NRC1 9000. Here green. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, let me save. Otherwise, if it happens similar to yesterday, then it is very difficult. Again, I have to enter. So better I am saving this. Now go to OMX1. After assigning this, go to OMX1. OMX1. Enter. So now what you are doing? You are doing this process. This process. Let me show. Okay, here. /n mm03. Enter. Enter iPhone 16. This enter. Continue. Continue. Go to accounting. This process. ML check and price determination 2. You are doing this activity. Where you are doing in OMX1 T code. Let's close unwanted. Let's close unwanted. Let's close unwanted. Again, I am going back. Okay. Let me show. I'm using this T code OMX1. OMX1. So for your valuation area, you are doing ML activation is tick and price determination should be 2. Okay. Let's go. NRC1 is the valuation area. That is nothing but a plant. For this, we have assigned in previous process 9000 and status is showing green. So for this, I am doing activating the material ledger. I am assigning my pricing determination as 2. 2 is nothing but a for each transaction, your material ledger will be updated. When estimated for each and every transaction. That is the meaning of to and activation. Now you are activating. Now click on save. Now it is showing one information after activating material ledger, live data must be converted. It means you have to do the CKM start. You have to do the CKM start means your plant should be productive. Done. I'm saving in my company code only. Okay, in my TR number only. So this is done. What is CKM? Okay, OMX1 will do. In OMX1, for this valuation area, for this thing. Okay, again, this is the same step only. Here you will do ML active. Okay, and you are using 2 as a price determination. Price determination. Here ML active price determination. You are selecting this insert symbol. You are making as active. Okay. And here you are selecting 2. 2 is nothing but a transaction based. Now go to CKM start. Again, I am saving. Okay, this is done. I have saved already. Let me save again. So to avoid confusion, go back. Now what you are doing? You are doing your plant valuation area should be productive. Start. CKM start. Okay. Here your production startup for the material ledger means whenever you are posting your material, so it will be updated to your plant automatically. This is a one-time process. Whenever you create any new plant, this should be mandatory in S4HANA. This should be mandatory in S4HANA. Whereas in ECC, it is optional. Okay. NRC1. This is a plant. And here the exchange rate. Since we are maintaining exchange rate, Y means sometimes if material may be in different currency. If the material is in different currency, then it will be automatically with the help of exchange rate, it will be converted into your INR. So M is nothing but a moderate. You can see the standard translation of average rate. Average rate is nothing but a moderate rate. Okay. Then enter your plant code. Enter your plant code. Sorry, my mouse is not working properly. This is your plant code. This is your, see, this is the M, that is moderate exchange type. And here, what you have to do, you have to untick first background processing. Now you are running for test run. Okay. This should be active. This should be inactive. Okay. Inactive. Okay. Then try to execute here. So you will get all greens. Okay. Then go back. Now you are removing test run. You are doing actual test, actual run. Means you are making your plant as a production. It will be activated for the material ledger. Now done. Now unlock materials in plant. So whatever the material is there, that will be unlocked. It will be available for creation, posting, anything. Okay. This is about the CKM start. Now try to create one material quickly. So then you will see the impact. MM01, enter. So here I will enter same thing. Enter. Here NRC1. NRC2, NRC1, NB. Continue. See that error gone, right? Now maintain the same thing. Here each again division. Division is, what is your division by? कौन सा डिवीजन है ना आपका नरेश? NB.
One second, sir. Yes, sir. NANB.
N1.
NA. You can take. Yeah. NA, sir.
NA chocolate. Okay. NA chocolate. Then weight will be maximum, I can say 10 gram or something. 10 gram. Here also 10 gram. Press enter. Okay. In basic data 2, we are not maintaining anything. Go to sales arg 1. So here we are maintaining the plant NRC1. Okay. Then, so since there is a space is very less, so I'm going to additional data so that it is easy for entering. 1, 1, 1, 1. Press enter. Then it will be coming to back to sales R1. Then press enter. So coming to sales R2. Here you will maintain 03, and this will be a item category is NORM. Then press enter. Okay. Here I will maintain KPS, no availability check, and here it will be in parcel and it will be manual loading. Okay. Then enter. Here no MRP planning in MRP1 view. Enter. Here see, now this is coming as activated and this is coming as 2. Okay. So always, that's why I'm always telling you guys, observe in accounting view, this should be activated and this should be exist. Otherwise, don't create any material because you cannot able to do the stock uploading if it is not there. Okay, because your price will not be determined for this manufacturing cost or conversion cost. So even though system will not allow, if you try to upload your stock 7920, let me enter 10 rupees per each chocolate. Okay, press enter. Okay, press enter. See, whatever we maintained M, right? So that M will be helpful for here. Okay, if it is in USD, since we are using a INR currency now, so there is no problem. So then click on S. Now material has been created. If you see the MMB stock, enter dairy milk chocolate. Now stock is 0. Stock is 0. This is how about the activation of material ledger and quantity and value updation of for the material in your plant code. Okay, guys. Any doubt?
No, sir, as of now.
No, sir.
Okay. And in real time, again, I am telling you, this will be not going to do by SD consultant. This is not responsibility of SD consultant. And try to upload the stock. Okay, you will get some errors. Those errors I am going to train, like, okay, I am going to explain tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
And all you guys, you also face these errors. How to fix those errors? Again, I am going to explain you. Those are related to, again, finance module, MM module. Those also not belongs to SD consultant. Whatever I explained last topic.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
So this function is our box. This is also we are not supposed to do. This is also we are not supposed to do because we are doing for the sake of to run our OTC process. We want to sell our product, right? To sell our product, we must have a material stock. To have a material stock, you have to do this process. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Try to practice more. Okay. So you will become expertise. If you are not practicing, then it is very difficult you to faster moving of transaction or transaction process in the system. If you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we will end today's session.
No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Okay. Chalo, bye. Have a happy good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you.
Hmm.